we are going to dine in sa Rice Paper Scissors here at CBD. So we're just going to celebrate my birthday early today. It's super early kasi one of my friend, Kate, is going to the Philippines. So hindi kami kompleto on the day of my birthday. So ngayon na lang. Ayun. So see ya! Hindi ka na ulit mag-ano. Hi naman siya. Yeah, pinless na namin ang meal dahil dumating na ang baboy. So today is my actual birthday. Happy birthday to me! Yeah, so this is my first birthday here in Australia. And ibang-iba siya from how I celebrate my birthday in Dubai. Yun, one of my close friends kasi, she went to the Philippines. So we celebrated a bit early yung video na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. So today, I'm just going to celebrate my birthday with the other close friend that I have, who is Carl. So, ayun, may date kami today. Ayan, nagme-message na siya kasi paalis na dapat ako ngayon, but nagbi-video pa ako. Let me show you how I will celebrate my birthday here in Melbourne. See ya!
Happy birthday, Tita Kim!
Yay! Free siya ngayon without the prom.
Yes,
single siya. Yeah. So, we're here at Omi. Pares kami ng food. And miso soup. And syempre, the birthday girl. Ang arte ko. Yes, let's eat. So for today, mag-meet kami ni Tita Del and Tito Jo, and we're going to have a buffet lunch. Malapit lang, dito lang sa Lonsdale Street. I think the name is Dainty Restaurant. Yun lang. See ya!
Hello.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Time to eat!